Let's simplify this fraction. Okay, we have 4x over 9 for my numerator. My denominator is x over 6 plus x over 2. You could say x divided by 6 plus x divided by 2. Alright? And I want to come up with one of these four answers. Alright? So let's copy that down. Now, what is the common denominator for 9, 6, and 2? What's the least common denominator? It would be 18, wouldn't it? Okay, for 9, 6, and 2, the least common denominator is 18. So 18, I'm going to put 18 here and here. So I'm going to multiply the top and bottom of this complex fraction by the number 18. Now watch what happens when I do this, okay? We're going to separate these two, and I'm going to distribute that 18 onto this, and I'm going to distribute the 18 onto this. So you have your 18 just like you had up here, okay? Didn't change that, but this gets distributed. This 18 gets distributed onto the first fraction, and the 18 then gets distributed onto the second fraction, okay? All right, now notice you have 9 and 18, okay? Okay, let's write that 18 as a fraction. Same thing on the bottom. So all I'm doing here is I'm taking this number right here and writing it as a fraction. Take that 18, write it as 18 over 1. Take this 18, write it as 18 over 1. Okay? All right, now 18 and 9, what do they have in common? 9. So we could divide that by 9 and this by 9. 9, I'm going to reduce this, in other words. This is 18 over 9, okay? Divide this by 9 and divide this by 9. 9 goes into 18 how many times? Okay? And 9 goes into 9 how many times? All right? So now we're going to take the 18 and the 6 down here and do the same thing. But we're going to reduce it by 6. So we're going to reduce these two. You're going to divide this by 6. You're going to get 3. This divided by 6 is 1. And then we're going to divide this one by 2. Both of these by 2. 18 divided by 2 and 2 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So now I've eliminated my denominators down here. I have 2 times 4x over 1 times 1. 2 times 4x is 8x over 1 if you want to put it over 1, but we don't really have to put it over 1, do we? 8x over 1 is 8x. So we did 2 times 4x and wrote 8x, and we didn't have to write the 1's. 3 times x is 3x over 1 if you want to put it over 1, but you don't need to. And 9, you have plus 9 times x is 9x. So you end up with 8x for the numerator, and 3 plus 9 is what? What's 3 plus 9? 12, okay? And then I can reduce this to 2/3. Watch now. X over x cancels. X over x cancels. We don't have x. So if the x is gone now, because x over x is 1, so the x is gone, then I have 8 over 12. 8 over 12, I could reduce both of the 8 and the 12 by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So your final answer now is 2/3. So we're going to pick answer C.